Journey. Woman of the night is a memory. On a trip. Her eyes are beautiful, seductive, giving seduction about intimacy. It's really cheap you offer. It turned out to be enough change just to buy snacks. Once in a while I ask, why don't you leave it like that? Because it's a waste. It's not wrong that you said, if it's mutually beneficial. But there are parties who are harmed. Your mother gave birth. Happiness. Smile. If your smile can mask grief, because you will suffer more, see your sad face. Laugh. If that laughter, able to get rid of disappointment, because the wound will flow, without a joyful heart. Seek happiness, even to the end of life, because that is the cure for all misery. If your body grows weak, stick with words, God's prayer beads with full of hope, because your life will not last forever. There's always hope. Drowning in a sea of sadness, silent, dark, without anyone knowing. The voice of despair rings loudly imprinted in the narrow memory of the world, tired of the soul. Close your eyes, try to forget the situation. Chains of sadness surround the mind. Fear manifests like a living hell. But the voice of the heart never hurts, that there is still hope even though it is lacking. Starting all over again slowly. Forget the past, the source of sadness. Live today for a memorable tomorrow. There is still hope for those of us who are trying. Don't drown in sadness. Focus on objectives to reach the future.